We have to be back to
We went to the seminary and just waiting.
Morning, class. Attention, everybody. Well, today I'm gonna announce your midterm exam result. Okay, let's start. James Marsons, A.
Yes.
Annie Florence, A plus. Congratulations. Maddie and Ryan, come to the office after class.
Here we go again.
Why? Because Maddie, you two failed exam, so stop complaining and just do what I said.
Hey, what is it?
Yes, what did he say?
Can you guys believe that Mrs. Laura made this stupid group with the bread? Who? Who do you guys think it is? It's Jay.
Ew, the guy?
Of course, I hate him. He's disgusting. I can't even breathe the same air with him. Instead, I would be rather with them.
Maddie, Maddie, Maddie.
Maddie, please focus on study. Why are you daydreaming? We only have 2 hours left.
I'm sorry for not interested. I hope this will end soon. I just want to go home.
Me too, but Mrs. Laura told me to take 2 hours. So please be patient and ask me anything that you don't understand. This is the story's diary.
I said I don't understand this paragraph.
I've already explained this one. How could you forget? But never mind, I can explain this again.
Okay then, go on back faster.
This is my friend. He's Lucas. We're from BBC News. Can I ask you a few questions, sir? It will be quick.
No, I don't have time to answer.
Sir, just a minute, sir.
I have nothing to say.
Sir, is it true that you invest all your money on a company? Sir, please answer my question, sir.
Please leave me alone.
Sir, please, sir. So it's true.
Good evening, everyone. This is BBC News presented by Htoi
And Pennywise. So apparently the BMC company has lost 65% of their share as they invested on the big company called AUA. The AUA has been under bankruptcy on June 16, 2022. Therefore, the BMC company lost their share as soon as this phenomenon happened.
Oh, what a big loss, right, Penny?
Of course, that's really, really bad.
Okay, the next news is about the COVID-19.
Look what happened. We lost 60% of our share.
Don't you just blame on me like this. It's all your fault. It's got nothing to do with me. All I did was just giving you a tiny advice. If you know too much, why didn't you use your own stupid brain?
Why? Why is it so difficult? Just because you don't like it.
Oh, hey, Annie. Where are you going?
I'm going to class.
Can I see your paper?
Sure.
Oops, I didn't mean to.
Oh, it's okay.
Homework done.
Such a stupid nut.
Oh, Annie, let me help you. Here.
Thank you.
I don't know what happened, but be careful next time. How long is this going to take?
Just an hour or more. Why?
I'm bored. Can we just rest for a minute? Please, I'm starving. I didn't have my lunch yet. I want to go to the canteen and have some food. Or we can have it together. I'll buy you food. What do you think?
Sound great. I'm hungry either. But after that, we have to get here again and continue our study.
How about we continue to study at the canteen? It's 3 now. The school will close at 5, so we can finish the study within 2 hours.
Okay, Mr. Genius. I hope you're interested in study like this.
Okay, let's go.
Annie, what are you doing?
We are having a short break from our study. Besides, we are hungry, so we decided to sit here.
What study?
Mrs. Laura asked me to help Ryan in study, so this it is.
Okay, both of you fighting. Keep studying. I will see you at home, Annie.
Bye!
Bye, Professor.
Well, I'm sure Frank and Casey and all the other guys had a reason or something to do that you didn't like, do they? Or didn't they?
Well done. Here. Sign it. My life has been destroyed since I married you.
Oh, now you blame it on me? You're being selfish and you're the one who brought all these problems.
That's it. We can't go on like this anymore. Let's divorce.
Yeah, I'm also done with you.
Shut up! You guys treat me like a garbage and gonna leave me like nothing happened. You still only think of yourself and don't even care about my feelings. And also, don't blame each other and call me savage. You put savage. Every time I got home, I feel disappointed. And the root all of my traumas are all because of you. I hate you.
I'm home. Annie, what are you doing?
I'm cooking!
Oh, that's great. I'm also starving. Make it hurry. I'm starving.
Don't worry, the dinner is ready.
It looks tasty, Annie. Thank you.
You're welcome. brother. Oh, I forgot something. Your favorite one.
Aww, I'm appreciated.
Again.
Okay. That's free for dinner, Annie. It's delicious. Oh, how was your day, Annie?
As usual, nothing special.
Oh, by the way, I heard you got a responsibility to help with Ryan. You are a girl and he's a boy, so be careful. Don't stay too close with him. If you can control your feeling, it might affect your GPA. Focus on your studies and manage your time properly for the next exams.
Okay, I noted it. Oh, by the way, I got A+ at the exam. Do you remember that? You promised me to buy whatever I like if I got highest grade.
Of course, I do remember. What do you want?
Actually, I can't want this thing for so long.
Tell me, where is it?
It's a electric piano.
Oh, Annie, you must be joking. It's not time to learn music. I completely against of that.
But you promised.
Yes, I did. But if you want it so bad, I will buy you an expensive one when you graduated.
After the graduating, are you kidding me? When can I have my own life?
Don't you raise your voice at me. It's all for your own good.
My own good? You only care about yourself. All you do is giving me some order and control my life. You don't care about how I feel, how I'm struggling or what I want. You're just busy with your schooling.
Stop! Listen, Annie. You said I don't care for you? Now look at me. Look at me! All these years, I became a professor not for me. Just for you, Annie. To raise you, Annie. Since that amount of us, I was only 14. Being an orphan for a 14-year-old boy was so hard to live. And also I had no one. Only you, Annie. Only you. My whole life, I've been working really hard just for us. Having more than anything and more than anything. So please stop being childish and listen to my words.
Okay. Which subject have you passed?
None of all. Wow, you have pretty eye.
Okay, stop saying it's well for sports now. Just give all your attention on what I'm explaining about now.
There you are. Guys, I have a lot to talk. What? I'm not okay these days. My dad has lost his money and my parents are getting divorced. I don't know what to do. Now I only have you. Can you guys suggest me what to do?
Well, that's your problem.
What do you mean? You are my friends.
Yes, we will, but not anymore.
Derek, what do you mean? If this is a joke, please stop. I can't take it now. I feel so bad these days.
Of course not. Your life has changed, Eddie. You're not like us anymore. The point is that we don't make friends with someone like you.
Yes, we have been patient for a long time. No one told me someone who is cutie like you.
Then why did you stay with me?
Oh, poor Maddie. Don't you know that? We stay with you only because you have money. Now you have nothing. So this is the time to say goodbye.
Stupid! How could you?
See, you can't do nothing now. Let's go.
Stay away from us.
The other woman will always cry herself to sleep. The other woman will never have his love to keep. And as the years go by, the other woman was
Okay, I'll call you later. Hello, classmate. What are you doing? Are you okay? It's okay. You can talk to me. Friends normally share feelings. So, shall we?
What should I say? My life is a mess and I don't even have a real friends. All are fake. There is no one beside me, even at my hard time. You better leave me alone.
Don't worry. I can be your best friend. You are free to tell your feelings and problems to me. I promise I will be a good friend.
Okay, Jay. You was a group presentation on next Monday, and I made a group with Annie, Maggie, and Rian, and inform them about this, okay?
Okay, teacher. I will tell her. Oh, Maddie, we are in the same group. Annie also with us. I'm so glad that we are in the same project.
Same! When will we start to do this project?
Oh, how about tomorrow?
If you guys are free in this evening, why shouldn't we do it at the time?
Sure, we will be free this evening.
So where should we meet? How about library?
Library is closed today, so let's do it at class.
Sound great. Oh, inform Ryan about this too. He also in this group.
Okay.
Maddie, would you like to search this bus on Google?
Sure.
Annie, can you also try to find out more information about this?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay? Ryan!
What the heck are you doing? Don't disturb us just because you are not interested in this.
Yeah, I don't have any concentration in this. I have my own problem.
You're not the only one who has problems, so do I.
Huh, you have problem? I'm always here with your friend laughing. And you have everything like those great mansion, car, maid, and rich parents.
Shut up! You don't know anything about me.
Know anything? Is there anything you want to add more? Other greatest thing you have?
Just stop it. I'm tired of pretending. My life has been ruined for a long time and my parents are getting divorced. And I don't even know how should I continue my life.
Calm down, guys.
And Annie, you are also part of my problem.
Me? How did I get involved in your problem?
Of course you did. At first, you were being close and nice to me. And then suddenly, you start to ignore me. So, what am I supposed to do? Every time I try to talk to you, you were acting strange.
Did I make a mistake? I'm just being lucky and you blame me. What's wrong with you? Not on your problem. Consult with me.
Of course, that doesn't concern with you. I was wrong. I was being so chaotic. The truth is that I think I am in love with you. And I don't know how to get close to you. And that's my problem.
Ryan, this is not good time to say this. And I'm sorry. It might behavior make you feel bad. I also had my own problem. Yeah, you guys.
What is it? We really want to know.
Okay, as you guys know, Professor Jonathan is my brother, right? I have a shot for him. He doesn't let me do my hobby and force me to focus on study. I really feel like a robot. No feeling, just running as program my brother could. Every time I see you guys, I feel jealous. I really want to be like you.
Oh, poor Annie. And I apologize for every bad things I did to you. I used to put my trust on my fake friends. Now all my friends are gone. But I think we can be friends and let's open up each other from now.
That is a great idea. I like it. Opening up is good. In the past, all of us were acting so selfish and dealing with our own problem, even if we can hold it. Teenagers like us have a lot of issues and we must open up each other and get through this mess together. Look at us. We can't even finish our project because of agreeing each other. So why don't we fix this problem together?
I agree.
Yes, we also agree.
Maddie, come here, sweetheart.
Seriously? Right now?
Of course, very seriously. We have to tell you something, right?
What is it?
Come and sit here first.
So tell me.
Sweetheart, actually, we've decided that we're not gonna divorce.
We feel sorry about you. Please forgive us.
Well, first, I forgive you.
You're right. We were being selfish, but we've always loved you. And I want to say let's forget about the past and let's build a healthy family from now.
Really? I'm so glad to hear this and I forgive you tomorrow.
Hello? Okay. Okay. I will come.
Picture perfect, you don't need no.
Hello, Maddie.
Hello, Maddie.
What?
Poor James. He is supportive and helpful to everyone, but now he has no one to help him. How could he keep this as a secret? Let's go and see him this evening.
Okay. I'm coming now.
Okay, I'm coming now.
Excuse me.
What can I help you?
We are coming for James.
Here he is.
Oh my god, James, why didn't you tell us?
I don't want to give trouble to you guys.
Oh, James, that's okay now. We brought you soup.
Doctor, how is his situation?
He's not feeling very well yet, but he might be better in the next 2 or 3 months. So you guys don't need to worry that much. Take your time.
Thank you, Doctor.